Anessa ADA's connectivity module allows you to create your unique situation within the ADA platform. Under the plant specifications page, you can add additional products. For example, here we have hydrogen added, and I've added it as a relationship to the overall biogas quantity. You can also tie your relationships to your overall feedstock amount, digestate amounts, and product amounts. In this case, I'm saying I'm getting 1 cubic meter of hydrogen per 10 normal cubic meters of biogas. I can then add in the electrical demand for the hydrogen production, so that I can also consider any costs associated with this. So I've added these details into the plant specification side. I can go and add the relevant financial details. So on the additional products section under the financial tab, you'll see hydrogen here, and I can go and add in an income price for it and save that. I can also then go to the utilities and consumed fuel section and add in the relevant costs associated there. And now that my project's back at 100%, I can simulate. In the technical results now, I can see the quantity of the additional product and the fuel consumption associated with it. So here I can see how much electricity was needed for the hydrogen production, and then I can also see how much hydrogen was produced in a year. For financial results on the income statement, I can see the income from that hydrogen there, and I can also see the cost associated. In the sensitivity and scenario sections, I could build out a scenario and look at how the hydrogen production is affected. So I'm going to build a scenario here. Where the feedstock quality decreases. So I'm going to drop all of my biomethane potentials. And then I'm going to simulate this scenario and see what happens to my hydrogen production. So I'm going to go here to additional products, hydrogen, and I can see that, that slight decrease didn't have too much of an impact on my overall hydrogen production, but there has been a drop there. So it's very useful for comparing different situations and de-risking your project in terms of your additional products.